This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools. And this is an overview of how you can use Google Docs to make really beautiful newsletters or any other type of template that you normally would use Publisher for. If you're not familiar with Microsoft Publisher, it is a program like Word or in the Microsoft Suite, but you can insert text boxes and images and move them wherever you want, and there's none of that wrap text, break text. So it's really great for when you want to do a newsletter or other types of, a newspaper or any other type of beautiful template. There's all sorts of templates in Publisher. And then, of course, the problem with Microsoft Publisher is that it is based out of your PC, and you can't put it in the cloud and work on it in multiple locations without saving it, attaching it, resaving it, unlike Google Docs. But Google Docs doesn't have the flexibility of Publisher. There is a program called LucidPress that is similar to Publisher, which is free until you have too much storage. But you can also do this in Docs. And the way I did this, and if you notice, this is the Publisher version. It's Mrs. Rocher's from second grade. And then I took it and made it into a Word version, and I made her a template so that way she can use this again and again. And if I change the background color of this doc by just going to page setup, you're going to see how I did this. So I'm going to turn the page color into just a blue. I'm not going to leave it that way. I'm just doing this so you can see what I did. And you will notice all this is a table. So what I did was I inserted a table and I merged some cells. So in different spots, I actually made a 4x3 table. And then I merged 3 cells here to put in this image and title. And then I used this cell and this cell. And to put in these text boxes, I just insert drawing. So if I double click them, it actually brings me out to the drawing so I can manipulate them. And that's here. For the parent read aloud, I just inserted another table within a table. And for this cell, because I wanted to do some split views, not have everything lined up perfectly, much like hers does here, or if you look at the way the PDF rolls out, I'll have to show you that on the separate PDF. You don't want it all aligned. You want it to look like a newspaper. So that's how I did that. I took this cell that was originally 3 rows, and I merged those to get the one column, and then I inserted a separate table here and put a table within that cell, and that's how I did that. So if I go back and turn this into a white background, you will notice now you don't see those. And what I did was I just took the table lines, if you click them like this, and I changed their color to white. I recommend using the entire template and then turning the lines back. So keep the table lines in there and then turn them to white when you're done, just so you can see them. And if you ever need to see where they are, a great way to do that is just to change the color of your template. You can change it to any color and you'll see those lines pop up. Oof. And that's how I did it. And then if you really want to make sure parents can access it, a good step to do there is to take it, because she usually sends it out as a PDF, and you do want to make sure you keep some margins on there. I have 0.4 margins all the way around. If you see the page setup, 0.4 with the top is 0.3, so I can fit it on one page. Now I'm going to file, download as JPEG, or PDF rather, sorry, PDF. And that downloads, and that's how she attaches it to an email. That way all parents can open it. And if you look, that's what it looks like on a PDF. So nice idea by Jen Rocher. Thank you for giving me that little project. That was fun to do. And here's a great way to do newsletters or other fancy templates in Docs. It's just simply using drawing and tables, and get creative with those tables. Thank you.